Ayan, papasok tayo sa Buckingham Palace and pagtiyagahan muna natin dahil hindi tayo makapasok sa loob, sa outside lang siya. Ang dami, as you can see, flags. So maraming tao talaga, ayan. Different kind of faces. Ayan. Close na nila yung mga ano, pero tingnan niyo, eh. Ang ganda ng mga flags nila. Oh, flowers everywhere. Ayan. Galing-galing, ganda-ganda. Ayan. Oh. Ayan. Sabi nila doon, keep off the grass. Pero, ang mga tao pasaway. So, ito yung ano, ito yung Buckingham Palace. So, ganun siya. Hindi tayo makapasok dahil may gate actually. So, ayan. It's just a sight for you to see. What is in there? May change of guards sila pero late kami dito, so we're not able to watch it. Pero as usual, yung makikita ninyo sa ano, yun na yun. Ayan. And yes, it is in London. As you can see, sino dinaga na river? Thames. River Thames. River Thames ka no. Ayan, magbo-boating kami later. But as of now, maglakad-lakad muna kami para makita namin yung views. Which is here, the City of London, St. Peter's Cathedral. And here, marami talagang turista. Ayan, makita niyo yung mga mga nila. Ayan. Sinoy Bridge pa na. That over there is a Tate Modern Museum, I think. Ayan, welcome to London, City of London. So here we are sa St. Paul's Cathedral. Welcome to St. Paul's Cathedral. As you can see in here, lots of goodies in here. The big bus, tourists all around, and we're going to try to get in here. Antay lang na din oh. Waran samot ng let's go and see. So yes, nandito tayo sa London Bridge. Ayan, as you can see, maraming tao. Ayan. What is in here? Okay. So, it's a lot. Ang dami mong makikita talaga. Ganda siya. So no wonder talagang dinudumog siya ng mga tao. Sino is dead into Andean? Kaso? Dinduduin niya. Tower Bridge. Ah, sina mabal na. Tumukdos na. Oh, ayan. Closer to London Bridge. Ayan. And ito yung Thames River.